Dovetail digital twins let you talk to your customer on demand. They're built from real sales calls, support tickets, and user research that get continuously updated as new data comes in. A version of your customer segment or vertical assembled entirely from what they've already told you. Ask your digital twins anything. You'll get an immediate answer traced back to real evidence. Design can validate a concept in seconds. Sales can rehearse a discovery call. Product can pressure test the roadmap. Everyone across your team works from the same shared understanding. Digital twins can also act as your on-demand coach that provides feedback on interviews or sales calls the moment they finish so the next one lands better. Behind every digital twin is a Dovetail agent. They are always on, automated, and utilized defined skills to complete complex tasks. Dovetail agents take action on demand, on a recurring schedule, based on a trigger, and many more. They are the team you never had the headcount for. Dovetail. Always on customer intelligence, built for action.